Hi students, let us continue with chapter 14, equation of line. So in our previous class we had started with exercise 14D. Today let me continue with that. So let us continue with the sixth question. Coming to the sixth question, first one, the lines 2x minus by plus 5 equal to 0 and ax plus 3y equal to 2 are parallel to each other. Find the relation connecting A and B. So let us find it. They are parallel to each other. So slope of this line should be equal to the slope of this line, right? So let us arrange them. What do you get? 2x plus 5 equal to by. Y is equal to 2 by b x plus 5 by b. Similarly, 3y equal to minus ax plus 2. Y is equal to minus ax by 3 plus 2 by 3. So what will be the slope of the first line? Here slope is equal to 2 by b and here slope is equal to minus a by 3, right? Since these two lines are parallel, the slope should be equal, right? So you can write that implies 2 by b equal to minus a by 3. So you will get minus ab equal to 6 or ab is equal to minus 6. Coming to the second sub question there. Again, two lines are given here. What are the lines? mx plus 3y equal to minus 7 and 5x minus ny is equal to 3 are perpendicular to each other. Find the relation connecting m and n. So let us do that. 3y is equal to minus mx minus 7. Y is equal to minus m by 3x minus 7 by 3. Here again we have ny equal to 5x minus 3. Y is equal to 5x by n minus 3 by n. Okay. What will be the slope here? In this case, slope is equal to minus m by 3 and here slope is equal to 5 by n. Okay. So since the lines are perpendicular, what will be the relation we can write? Slope of the first one into slope of second one will be equal to minus 1, right? So m by 3 minus m by 3 into 5 by n equal to minus 1. So how can we relate them? Minus 5m by 3n is equal to minus 1. So minus 5m equal to minus 3n. 5m is equal to 3n. Okay, this is how you get the relation between m and n. You can write it in any way. You can just rearrange them also. You can write it as 5m by 3. 5m is equal to 3 and 4. Okay. Now let us do the seventh question. Coming to the seventh question, find the value of p if the lines whose equations are 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0 and px plus 3y equal to 4 are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So let me write down this here. We have px plus 3y equal to 4. So from this let me take the slope. Y equal to 2x plus 5 we get, and here 3y is equal to minus px plus 4. Y is equal to minus p by 3x plus 4 by 3. So they are perpendicular to each other. So slope of here, what will be the slope? Slope is equal to 2 and here slope is equal to minus p by 3. Okay. Since the lines are perpendicular to each other, product of the slope should be equal to minus 1. So you get 2 into minus p by 3 equal to minus 1. So you get minus 2p equal to minus 3. So you get p is equal to 3 by 2. So the value of p is 3 by 2. Hope it's clear. Coming to the eighth question, the equation of the line AB 2x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Find the slope of AB. So how do you do it? 2y equal to 2x plus 3, right? So y is equal to 2x by 2 plus 3 by 2. So you'll get y is equal to x plus 3 by 2. So slope of AB will be equal to what? Slope of AB equal to 1, right? Second condition, calculate the angle that the line AB makes with the positive direction. So slope is equal to 1. So you get tan theta is equal to 1. Tan of what is equal to 1? Tan theta is equal to 1, that is equal to tan 45. So you get the angle that theta is equal to 45 degree. Ninth question you can do in the similar way. 10th also. Let me do the 11th question now. Question number 11. The line through A minus 2, 3, B, 4B is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 4y is equal to 5. So let me find the slope of this first using this. Okay. Slope of AB we need to find, right? Slope of AB will be equal to B minus 3 by 4 minus of minus 2, that is 4 plus 2. B minus 3 by 6 will be the slope here. And what is the slope of this line? 2x minus 5 is equal to 4y. 2x by 4 minus 5 by 4 equal to y. So you'll get 2. So you'll get it as y is equal to x by 2 minus 5 by 4. So here you get slope is equal to 1 by 2. So what is given in the 11th question? The line through these points is perpendicular to the given line. So these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So slopes, product of slope should be equal to negative 1. So what you get? B minus 3 by 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to negative 1. So B minus 3 by 12 equal to negative 1. B minus 3 equal to minus 12. So B is equal to minus 12 plus 3. B is equal to minus 9. So I get the value of B as minus 9 here. Now let us continue with question number 13. First sub question we have, find the equation of the line passing through 5 minus 3 and parallel to x minus 3y equal to 4. Okay. How do we find the equation in this case? So let me write this. X minus 4 is equal to 3y. So what you get? Y is equal to x by 3 minus 4 by 3. Okay. So from this you get slope is equal to 1 by 3. So what will be the slope of line parallel to it? Again, slope of line parallel to this line also will be equal to what? 1 by 3 itself, right? Now we need to find the equation of the line. What will be the equation of line? Equation of line will be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, right? What are the points we have here? x1, y1. So you get y minus of minus 3 equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 5. Okay. So you'll get it as y plus 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 5. So 3y plus 9 equal to x minus 5. 3y equal to x plus 4 you get. Okay. So this will be the equation of the line parallel to the given line. So let me do the second sub question now. So equation is given to us 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 parallel to the point 0, 1. Okay. So again, how will you find it out? You can do it in the same way. 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 8. Y is equal to minus 3 by 2x plus 8 by 2. That will be 4. Okay. So you get slope is equal to minus 3 by 2. So slope of this will be that. So you can directly do it. Y minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2 into x minus 0. So you get y minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2 x. 2y minus 2 equal to minus 3x. 2y plus 3x is equal to 2 will be our answer. Okay. We have done a small mistake in the first sub question, that is 3y. When 9 comes this side, it will become x minus, it's not x plus 4, it will become x minus 14.